two famous teams have once again drawn a huge crowd. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Fernandez. And that clearance will lift the pressure. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Shoots! And it's saved by the keeper. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Whipped in with pace. And he hits it. They get it away from danger. He slid for the ball. The shot's on. Shoots! And he hits it. Now that really was a great volley. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Picked up by the defender. It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. This is Bale. Good ball. This is Bale. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Here's Bale! And that's a goal kick. A chance to have a better look here. Headed on. He's onside here. Oh, it's a clear chance. Good distribution. Well cut out. That's good link-up play. A missed challenge there. Great patience here. Oh, a very badly timed challenge. And out for the throw-in. Long-range effort. Here's Bale! That's his second goal. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Palmer. Fernandez. This is Bale. Oh, that's good work by the defence, just offside. Well cut out. Safety first, back to the goal. It could be a chance here. Shoots! What a finish! Great finish into the top corner. Expertly placed. Let's take another look at that. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. And it's 2-1 now. Passed well. Some really fluid passing. And there's a half-time whistle. A great display of football between these two teams. Let's hope the half-time period doesn't slow things down. This team have made changes. It looks like they're really going for it in the second half. Finds his teammate. Back towards the centre. He's knocked it long. Reed. He failed to connect with that tackle. That's nicely played. He's got the goal in his sights. And there's the shot. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Great pass. He's headed the ball forward. Now Lucas. Great chance here. Shoots. Off the post. Oh, he shoots. And he scored. What a fantastic goal. It means a lot to the player and should give him the confidence to grab more. It's 3-1 now. The striker picks it up. He steps up to steal the ball. Confident pass.
Good ball. Passed well.
Now Lukaku.
And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it?
Let's see that one again. Here's Lukaku.
Oh, he scored. He made it look so easy.
He's scored a brace. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. Let's start again. How will that change things? They're just looking to keep the ball.
Good interception. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Well-worked goal. Great finish.
Goalkeepers always struggle to get down that quickly. He couldn't have placed the shot any better. And the referee gets the game going again. Poor attempt to win the...
And he stayed onside. Oh, it's a clear chance. Shoots. Top-class finish there.
2 goals today from this exciting player. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player.
That's good link-up play. Well cut out.
Ooh, quality defense. It could be a chance here. Here's Lukaku.
And that's his hat-trick. He's going home with the match ball.
And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal. The referee gets the game back underway. The referee indicates a corner.
And that one swung into the box. Lovely header. Oh, he heads wide.
No goal. Let's see how close it was. The keeper passes it straight to his player. Corner kick now.
Now, what can he do from here?
The ball is swung into the danger. Here's Lukaku.
Not the best header there. Let's see how close that one was to going in. He's led by example today, and that's why he's the team's captain and today's man of the match.